we are run by crooks, if you listen to Madlanga.
It doesn't care about us, and then don't create an impression with Tolashe that you must be seen to be doing something. It's very interesting in terms of ANC internal dynamics, because Tolashe is Mbalula's person, and Tolashe belongs to Krisani faction. Gwede and them, and he went directly there, unless he got consensus from them that let's use here so that we shift focus from you, and then we concentrate on it. And that's what all of you are doing. You are falling into that trap of moving from him into non-entity.
I wanted to go to this one saying we're led by crooks, by the Madlanga stories, that he didn't bother even after the first report, which we still haven't seen. I don't know whether you have seen it. That he's not firing the Minister of Police, who's sitting at home earning a salary of millions close to almost a year now. Right? What do you make of this whole Madlanga thing? Does it put a big question mark on the rule of law in this country? Because it looks like stories are getting worse about what the police are busy with, instead of busy with securing the country.
Yes, I think, like I said, we are losing track of what we are looking for. We are looking for criminal justice system that is run by a drug cartel. That's what we're looking for. We've been concentrating on shenanigans of police. Correctly so. It's within the terms of reference. And then we'll go to municipalities and so on and so forth. We went to Mkhunu, we're done. Where are the prosecutors that we've been told have received brown envelopes from out?
I mean the judicial system allegations.
The criminal justice system.
Yeah.
Because the allegation is that police, the prosecutors, and the judges
are all in the pockets
of a drug cartel.
Yeah.
We are not getting a prosecutors. We are done at the ADO committee, by the way. We never received any prosecutor. We are done at ADO committee. We never received any judge. That's why me and Skosana were fighting. He says, call judiciary here. I'm saying, Skosan, there's no person called judiciary. Give us the name of a judge.
Of a judge or a magistrate.
Then he says, Julius Malema used to criticize judges. Judge, leave Julius Malema. You are saying judges are involved. Give us a judge. So, we have not gotten into the real capture of the judicial criminal system here in South Africa. We all know police have been involved. We all know police have been involved. And we didn't know to what extent have they been involved. Now we are exposed to that. All of those police that are involved must face the consequences of the law. They will, by the way. Even under Cyril, they will. Why? Small fish. I mean, look at Nkosi. What is his rank in the police? Some warrant, what? Officer or something. Who will not arrest Nkosi? What are the implications of arresting Nkosi? So it will be easy to arrest the police because it's a small fish. We are not getting the big fish into this matter. And I don't think we are being successful as a result. We are being excitable. We're being excited by being given this one. I mean, they brought a guy there called Zeh Nguman. We're all excited because they said he knows Julius Malema. That's why we're being excitable. We're just being excited. We lost the plot. It just took one press conference for me to say, Zeh is not my son. He's got his father with a high profile. So don't talk to him. Don't talk about him like you're talking about Ratana. Like I'm his father. I'm not his father. But Zeh knows Rupert's daughter. Used to go to Rupert's house. They were so close with the son, with the daughter. So much that the daughter will sleep on the lap of Zeh in front of the father. You all know that. And you don't say Zeh is a friend of Johan Rupert. You say Julius Malema. And you're all excited. But they know that he knows Johan Rupert. So they throw things that are going to excite you to move you away from what was the real issue when we started this process that we've spent so many millions on it. So really, I can tell you that thing has been moved from criminal justice system into police inquiry.
In summary, if somebody were to listen to you to say, what is the solution? You are now in government, or they bring you into government, they make you minister of police, and then you've got this Madlanga report so far, or even if it's not a full report, but what you have heard so far, what would be the one or two things that you do to intervene, to stabilize right at the top? Because now a lot of people are saying, why arrest the National Commissioner for PFMA, which half of all those ministers are guilty of?
Exactly. I mean, the problem in the police now is that factions are contesting each other. And it has always been the case in the police. You need to stabilize the police, and you don't need to arrest Masemola to do that. Masemola is not a solution to stabilizing the police. You need a decisive force which is going to say to men and women in uniform, you are going to conduct yourself in this manner, or else I'm going to act on you. That's why Masemola says, no one gave me that report. I didn't know about that. And then it takes a provincial commissioner to call a press conference with your permission as a national commissioner. If a provincial commissioner brings such issues to my attention, I'll call a press conference myself and say, you stay at your own place. Let me deal with these matters. These matters are beyond the province.
Your pay grade,
These are national matters. Masemola is not a solution. So you ought to get very decisive commissioner of police
Would you
to
still
stabilize.
appoint Mkhwanazi? You already said that months ago, even before he did what he did, that is a caliber of a national commissioner. With what you know
Absolutely.
now, would you still appoint him?
Absolutely. Mkhwanazi is capable of leading the police force. My disagreement with Mkhwanazi doesn't have capacity. That's why I said to you, if you are right, I'm going to agree with you. If you are wrong, I'm going to disagree with you. And I expect you to do the same with me. So where Mkhwanazi get it wrong, I'll call him out. I'll call him out that I don't need his permission to praise another person and say, you are a national commissioner material. I didn't say you're going to become a national commissioner. It's all within my right. It is within my right to say, when Mkhwanazi says, I met Khan through Malema, creating an impression that I was looking for him. I never looked for him. I was told by Khan that Mkhwanazi is looking for me. And I'm correcting that thing that, no, tell them that you are the one who was looking for me.
All right.
So I'm not questioning his capacity to deal with the police issues.
I get that. I want to.
Thank you for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video and you get the right informations which you need. What do you have to say? Drop your opinions in the comment section. Let's know what you think. I really appreciate your time for watching. But don't forget to follow me on this channel by subscribing. See you in the next one, and bye.